Hello and welcome to this guide. I will show with you how you can get on cloud discounts and promo code. And this is the popular website shopping sell shoes, as you can see here. If you want to get a discount, for example, on this platform, just go to this Google search for on cloud promo codes. Click the first website here. As you can see here, you can see a lot of different discounts and promo code. You can save 10% off 10, as you can see here, 20% off, 15% off, 15, 5, 10. Just click show codes. You will copy this code and you can redeem at this platform directly. So friends, this is the website. When you click add to pack, choose the size you want to purchase and then go to checkout page. From this checkout page, you can apply this discount. Just copy this discount and then paste here, paste this discount and then click apply. This is how you can do to get discounts. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this